What's the meaning of conclave? Conclave. Conclave.
Conclave. Conclave. A conclave is a private meeting of cardinals held in the Vatican to elect a new pope. During a conclave, the cardinals are sequestered in a specific area and are not allowed to communicate with the outside world until a new pope has been chosen. The process typically involves several rounds of voting until one candidate receives a 2/3 majority vote. Once a pope has been elected, white smoke is released from the roof of the Sistine Chapel to signal the decision to the public. Conclaves are an important tradition in the Catholic Church and signify the transfer of power from one pope to the next.